CRP Automotive has offered a number of better than OE replacement parts for a few years now. And I'm going to tell you about an upgrade to an existing part that will increase its performance and longevity versus the OE equivalent on this episode of Inside the Brands. Hello everyone, I'm David Hirschhorn from CRP, and today I'm going to talk about an upgrade to a part that we think certainly qualifies as better than OE. It's an upgrade to our Rein water pump and kit for the 2-liter turbocharged engine found in many Volkswagen and Audi models. A known issue with the water pump housing is that the gasket that seals the water pump to the engine block is made of an EPDM rubber that tends to expand when in contact with oil. Here, you can plainly see the comparison between a new original gasket and one that's been in contact with oil. So what happens is that the gasket expands and cracks the water pump housing, which leads to leaks, and in some cases, catastrophic failure. Knowing this is a weakness of this popular engine, we looked for a better solution, and I'm happy to report we've found it. The upgraded gasket may look the same as the old one, but it's made of a different material. The new gasket is made of HMBR, or hydrogenated nitrile butadiene rubber, which is also known as HSF, or highly saturated nitrile. This HMBR gasket is more oil resistant, so it will perform better than the OE, and is just another example of how CRP and Rein Automotive stay on top of quality and provide the market with what it needs. In closing, I just want to thank the members of our Innovation Council and all of our customers for their feedback, which was instrumental in making this change. Have a question about this or any other Rein part or kit? Just post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.